Morning, this is cause number 2015-47839. In the interest of Sofia Bolaños, all parties please raise your right hands to be sworn. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
Yes.
All right. Ma'am, please state your name and your relationship to the child.
Leticia Bolanos, custodial parent.
All right. Sir, your name and your relationship to the child.
Dylan Kellner, non-custodial parent.
All right. And for the state?
Giuseppe Otto, representing the Office of the Attorney General.
All right. We've got a suit for modification of the child support order. We're having a hearing. Do we have any stipulations?
Yes, Your Honor. We do have stipulations. Parties stipulate that Mr. Kellner is to be ordered to carry health insurance through his employer for the child at a cost of $101 per month. Further, Mr. Kellner will be ordered to carry dental insurance through his employer for the child at a cost of $20 per month. Parties also agree that the gross monthly income for Mr. Kellner is $3,958.04, leaving the issue of child support amount to be decided by the court. Your Honor, I'd like to call the parties to get them to see if they agree to the stipulations.
Yes, go ahead.
All right. State calls Leticia Bolanos. Ms. Bolanos, can you please state your name for the record?
Yes, Leticia Bolanos.
And you are the mother of Sofia Bolanos.
Yes.
And did you hear me state terms of an agreement to the court?
Yes.
Do you agree with those terms?
Yes.
Are you asking the court to approve those terms?
I'm sorry, what was that?
Are you asking the court to approve those terms?
I think me and the other parent, we could try to reach an agreement.
Oh, Ms. Bolaños, he's asking if you heard what the stipulations were, correct?
Yes,
What
sir.
supposedly both of you agreed to. Do you agree to all those stipulations, ma'am?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Kellner, do you agree also to those stipulations so far?
Yes, sir.
All right, let's proceed with the issue then is the amount of child support that needs to be set. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is this an increase of modification?
It's a modification, Your Honor, yes. And it would be an increase. The prior order,
All right, go ahead.
state requests the court to take judicial notice of the prior order, which is signed August 23rd, 2016.
All right.
The prior order set child support amount at $224.22 per month.
All right.
Now, state calls Dylan Kellner. Mr. Kellner, can you please state your name for the record?
Dylan Kellner.
Mr. Kellner, are you in agreement of modification of the child support amount from the previous order?
Yes, I'm in agreement with that.
Okay. You're just not in agreement with what child support amount was calculated during negotiations, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and why were you not in agreement?
I was not. Go ahead.
Go ahead. Why were you not?
I was not in agreement because the amount that it would increase would not allow me to visit and maintain my relationship with my child, Sophia. There's about a 8-hour difference. I live in Houston, Texas. The mother and child live in Lubbock, Texas. And the flight's around about $200 per round trip, or it's around $150 for gas all the way. and I would decrease the amount of time that I'll be able to see my daughter by increasing the amount as such, as previously stated.
All right. Your Honor, I pass this witness.
Do you have any questions for him, Ms. Bolaños?
No, sir.
All right, call your next witness.
State has no further witnesses, Your Honor.
Well, I haven't heard what the amount that was calculated in accordance with the guidelines, with a gross amount of 3958.54 and him paying medical and dental. What were your calculations?
The calculation for child support was $640. That was based on a net income of, it was based on a gross income of $3,958.34. Mr. Kellner got credit of $121 for health insurance and dental insurance for the child, leaving a net of $3,201.61. And Mr. Kellner, the child support was calculated as 20% of that net income.
All right, Ms. Bolaños, do you agree with that amount, $640?
I think me and the other parent could probably agree on something different, because I do realize that we don't live in Houston. We live in Lubbock, so.
All right, then, so hold on a second. You moved to Lubbock, is that correct, ma'am?
Yes,
Okay, but you were living in Houston.
I was. Yes, I
okay.
moved.
How long ago did you move?
I moved in July of last year, towards the end of the month of July.
Okay. Do you have anything further you want to say, Mr. Kellner?
Just that I'm very appreciative that Leticia is understanding of my situation, and knowing that with this increase, it would diminish my chances to be able to see Leticia and Sophia, to build my relationship with Sophia. And I'm very appreciative of the time the court has taken to hear me out.
All right, the court will vary from the guidelines because of the travel involved, and court orders father to pay $440 a month in child support beginning April 1st, 2021. All of the stipulations are approved. Anything further, Mr. Atta?
Are there any orders as to court costs, Your Honor?
I didn't know you were requesting any. But,
Sorry. If there are no orders, then
what is the date of payment?
for court costs,
Yes.
June 1st, 2021, Your Honor.
All right, court further orders that the fathers to pay court costs as billed not later than June 1st, 2021. All other stipulations are approved. Anything further, Mr. Atta?
Nothing further, Your Honor. Thank you very much.
All right, thank you. You're excused.